left in me. I hold my ground, my heart in hand, and face the world to make my stand. Through every trial I find my way. The morning breaks to start the day. Lift me higher, take me there, through open winds and boundless air. I walk the road, it sets me free, a world ahead for all to see. Through turning leaves and endless streams, I find my hope, I hold my dreams. The stories told, the lives we've crossed, the roads we've found, the ones we've lost. A single stride, a quiet start, a journey